Hello, it's Timothy. In this video we will talk about the project called Teritori Network. I'll show you how to install Teritori's village testnet, activate your node, and become a validator. About Teritori. Built on Cosmos SDK, Teritori aims to enhance Web3 individuals, communities, and builders' experience through an all-in-one hub of decentralized applications. Teritori believes Web3 tribe's best interest is in sharing knowledge and toolings to build more and faster, so they build tools they want to use themselves. Below are a few challenges they are trying to address with the first decentralized applications to be released on Teritori. Offering decentralized and user-friendly alternatives of the tools and the applications we use on a daily basis, allowing to affirm your Web3 identity and protect your reputation, offering all the basic tools for a DAO to operate and develop itself, and connecting communities from IBC blockchains as well as other networks to provide the simplest multi-chain experience. Teritori outlined the key technological challenges to creating a decentralized system to help users escape Web2 issues and move towards a trusted infrastructure for a new way of building and operating DAOs. At that point, I guess you're already interested, so without further ado, let's get straight to joining the testnet. And especially for you, I've created my own tutorial on how to set up your node. First thing you need to do is make sure your machine is up to date, but mine already is. Second step is install all the dependencies. Let's see if I already have them. Yes, I do. And install Go. Takes some time. And set up your environment. You can skip this part if you already had Go installed before, and I had, so I'll just verify the installation. Okay, so now we can move to setting up our chain. Clone the Teritori repository and install the version 2 of the testnet. Download, change the branch to the testnet, and install. Okay, and we can now verify the installation. As you can see, it returned version and commit. So let's continue. Now we need to initialize our chain. We need to replace your Monique and delete the signs. So mine is Timothy 2 and chain ID Teritori testnet version 2. Okay, now we need to download the Genesis file and check the Genesis file. As you can see, all good. Now let's update our node configuration. We can save this variable in config, so we don't need to use chain ID flag for any other CLI operations. We also need to add peers in the config file and seeds. So I didn't think that it's going to be a problem, but my node wouldn't find any peers, so I have added a command, two commands in my guide. They allow your node just not to search for peers itself, but just to input these two commands, and you download the latest address book, and your node will have much more easier process of finding those peers. So as you can see, my node is now syncing with the blockchain. You can also check the latest block height with this command, and check the sync status with this command. As you can see, catching up is true. That means my node is in the process of syncing with the chain, and to create a validator, we need this to be false, and we need our node to be fully synced with the blockchain. So now we have come to the process of creating a wallet. We can create new one and recover existing with this flag recover. Of course, you'll need to replace your name wallet with your wallet name. So let's do it. Let's name our wallet, I don't know, like this. And you will need to create a keyring passphrase. Let's make it, I don't know, 8 characters. I forgot. Okay, so this is my wallet. Of course, you'll need to save your mnemonic phrase. Just don't forget, please. And you will need to go to the Discord and use the faucet to request tokens so you can create validator later. You'll need to go to the faucet bot and request tokens with this command, and you'll need to replace your address with your actual address that is mentioned here, and you'll need to delete the signs more than and less than, of course. So for the next phase, for creating our validator, we need our node to be fully synced. As I have already said, we can check it with this command. Latest block height is 14,000, and we can check it in the Explorer. We can check latest block. So as you can see, latest block is 240,000. So it will take quite a lot of time for our node to fully sync with the blockchain. But we will wait for this process to end, and I'll back to you as soon as it happens. Okay, so it's been quite a time now. Node has fully synced to the chain. As we can see, catching up is false. Latest block height is 242,000, and on the Explorer it's almost the same. As you can see, we are a little bit higher as on the Explorer because Explorer has a little delay. And we can start creating our validator. I mean start, but it's only one command. I have already requested some tokens from Teritori Discord. We can view our balance like this. We'll need our wallet address. As you can see, it's listed with this command, Teritori D keys list, and we need to type in Teritori D Q bank balances, and as you can see, our balance is 1 million Tori. That's equivalent to 1 Tori. And it's enough to create our validator. So let's get straight into it. What do we need to edit here? Oh, our wallet. Almost forgot. Our wallet is, I believe, it's Timothy Wallet 2. Chain ID is alright. Moniker is Timothy 2. And yeah, that seems just right. Okay. Okay, so we confirm the transaction. Fees command not found. I don't know why did it happen. And we can view our transaction in the Explorer. It succeeded, so we should have our validator. Maybe we need to wait some time until it pops out on a chain. Yeah. So as you can see, we have our validator. Of course, it's inactive because we don't have a lot of tokens, enough tokens to be in the active state of validators, but we can fix it if you have some friend who is already on the chain and who's been validating for some time, and he has a delegation from some other guys who are early in the project or from the project itself. So as you can see right now, the seed price is about 52,000 tokens, and we do not have that. I mean, I have that on my main account. Where is it? Yeah, it's right there. But here I just wanted to show you how it's done. Of course, I can delegate to this account to get it in the active stake, but we're not going to do that. Only thing I can show you is how to edit your validator. Here's the list of all flags that you can use when you are creating a validator or editing it. So we can type like Teritori D transactions staking edit validator, and let's do what? Let's, for example, just to show you how it works, change our commission rate. So I believe our max change rate is, oh, it's 0.01. Okay, so we can change it to commission rate. Let's do, we have 5 by default, 5%. Let's change it to 6%. So it's going to be 0.06. Let's change our details. For example, let's say, I don't know, just guide is working. Okay, guide is working, hooray. And let's change, I think it's enough. Okay, so we need to type from and our wallet name, and we can type Y so it doesn't ask us to confirm our transaction. Oh, so it's some kind of it's some kind of an error. Let's see if our transaction succeeded. It failed. Commission cannot be changed more than once in 24 hours. Okay, so now we know something about our commission change rates. Let's do without commission. Let's change our details and try how it feels. Yeah, so our transaction succeeded. We updated our validated details, and yeah, there it is. I don't know why it says clear right here. Don't really know why it says clear right there, but maybe it's some problem with the sign. Yeah, I believe it's two signs right there. Okay, so we have finished our guide. As you can see, it's very easy to set up a node and get your validator to work perfectly. All we need is to get a delegation or just ask our friend for some tokens, you know. Thank you for your attention, guys. Hope you found my video interesting. Hope you found something new. And yeah, I'll make more such videos in future. And thank you for your attention again.